Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve question number 6. Arif took a loan of rupees 8,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, find the difference in amount he would be paying after 1.5 years if the interest is compounded annually and when the interest is compounded half yearly. In first case, the interest will be paid after 1 year, and in second case the interest will be paid after every 6 months. So let's find what would be the interest if the interest is payable compounded annually. Here the principal will be 8,000 rupees, rate will be 10% and the time will be 1.5 years. In this case, we know that if you want to find the interest for 1.5 year, first find the interest for the first year, and after that, that amount will act as a principal for the next year, and on that principal you can find the interest for the remaining period of time. So here the amount for the first year will be 1 plus 10 upon 100 into 1. So in this case, it will be 110 upon 10. So this cancel out. So this will be 88. So after 1 year, amount will become this much, and after that the interest will be paid on this money, or you can say this amount will act as a principal for the remaining period of time. So the SI, or you can say the interest, because after that compound interest will act as a simple interest. After that the interest will be paid on this money, rate will be same, but the time will be half years into 100. We are applying the formula PRT upon 100, cancelling this 5, so this will be 440 rupees. So after that, this much interest will be paid. You have to find the amount. So the total amount in this case will be 88,000 plus this interest 4400. This will be 924. So in first case, amount will be equals to 92400. And in second case, principal will remain same, rate will remain same, and time will remain same. But because the interest is payable half yearly, so the rate should become 5% because rate becomes half, and time, because the interest is payable half yearly, on every 6 months you will get an interest. So in 1.5 year, 3 6 months, or you can say 3 times you will get the interest. Here the amount will be equals to principal, which is equals to 80,000, 1 plus rate will be 5, and interest will be paid 3 times. So this will be equals to, when this is solved, this will give 105 into 105 upon 100 into 100 into 100. Solving this, 20 can be cancelled out by these 2 can be cancelled out by these, and 5 2 1 5 20, again 5 2 1 5 4, and 4 2s are 8. So this will be equals to 5 2s are 10, and 2 will be multiplied by this is 441, and this will be equals to 921. So this will be the amount if the interest is payable half yearly. So this way you can solve this particular question. Thank you.